This is a super fast introduction on how you can use Story Safari, which is an example tour operator created by Peter Fabricius and me to help you learn how you can organize content creation with the help of AI. And you can only create customized content with the help of AI if you have some kind of central hub to stir your AI. And in our case, we created the central hub in a Google Drive, and there you see that we have data to stir the AI, trend reports, but also booking data, and we have a strategy, a basic strategy, but also plans and of course goals, personas, kind of stirring documents are here. And we know it's quite intensive to set this up. So we created a prompt for each of these documents just to get you quickly started. That's probably not perfect, but you need to start somewhere. And if you start somewhere, please do with a strategy. Now, if you also set something up like this, it becomes pretty easy to work with AI. For example, quickly making a social media post about launching our Story Safari website targeted to a B2B buyer profile kind of persona we already created, and it works well, right? It understands that this is now targeted towards tour operators. So having this whole setup really speeds up your work. Right, though, there's a lot of examples in this Google Drive, but there's also, of course, much more videos that will become online soon on the website of CBI, but also maybe on our own LinkedIn accounts to get you further kick started. So have a look in our Google Drive, what is all there, see the link in the description, and let us know what kind of great content and ideas you worked on. And if you have any questions, of course, do share with us through our LinkedIn's, through these comments of the video. And we're maybe making some new content around it. So good luck, and we love to see what you've been working on.